don't get eaten off the web. Must rip out all the epilogues of the books that we have read. In the face of every criminal, strapped firmly to a chair, we must stare, we must stare, we must stare. We must take all of the medicine, too expensive now to sell. Set fire to the preacher who is promising us hell. In the ear of every anarchist that sleeps but doesn't dream, we must sing, we must sing, we must sing. It'll go like this. Well, my mother waters plants, my father loads his gun. He says death will bring us back to God, just like the setting sun is returned to the lonesome ocean. We must blend into the choir, sing a static with a whole. Must memorize thy numbers and deny we have a soul. In this endless race for property and privilege to be won, we must run, we must run, we must run. We must hang up in the belfry where the bats and moonlight laugh. Must stare into a crystal ball and only see the past. In the caverns of tomorrow with just our flashlights and our love, we must plunge, we must plunge, we must plunge. Oh, my morning's coming back, the whole world's waking up. All the city buses swimming past, I'm happy just because I found out